What's up, people of Earth? Well, you guys know by now I have a motorcycle, which came as a shock to a lot of you. Also, it came as a shock to a lot of us is it actually still runs, which is super impressive. What's also came as a shock to me from last time from editing the video, if y'all haven't watched that video of the bike getting running, go check that out. I will put a link for it down in the description. If not, go check out the channel. By the way, appreciate every one of you that are subscribing. I've gained quite a few subscribers off of this bike. Super excited, hence the reason we're doing a video on this bike this week. It would have been last week, but I'll be honest with you, it comes down to making money. And if I can't make money, I can't do racing, I can't support the motorcycle habit. So, yep. What are we doing today? As you saw in the last video, I didn't have fenders on it, and the brakes didn't work. I will be honest with you, the brakes now work. I literally bought a $20 master cylinder off of eBay, and it worked. The rear brakes are cable, so I don't have to worry about those. It's just front. It really was uneventful. It was literally throwing a master cylinder on, taking the bleeder screw out of the caliper, pumping the master cylinder a few times to get fluid through it. It went through, put it on. It was really uneventful. As you can see, it is right here. It is not the original one. The original was a cone, but to be honest with you, this is what I could find, and it was cheap. And it also now has a sight class. The old one did not. That makes me super happy, but it works now. It actually has pressure. The caliper still works. Fantastic. So today, we're going to put that fender back on, which, by the way, I realized when I did the video last, I knew where it was. We're going to put that fender back on. Probably going to give it a bath. So without further ado, I know they're doing some construction work outside. I wasn't going to wear the mic, but because of that, because it just sits there just all day long. It's kind of annoying. So without further ado, we're going to go ahead and throw the fenders back on. I do have to find bolts for them. And I'm not going to film that because I don't enjoy looking for bolts. Therefore, I'm sure you guys don't enjoy staring at me looking for bolts. I'm not that attractive. So stay tuned. Also, for those of you who continue to watch the channel, I am looking for sponsors. The other thing is, I also run a race car and I run a race team. So, if anybody wants their name on a race car, I'm not greedy. If you want to send me, I don't know, if you want to contribute 20 bucks towards the car, give me what you want on the car. It's a bright white Toyota Corolla. Is it fast? Meh. No, it's slow. But if, hey, you want your name on a race car, you want to write something stupid on a race car, you let me know. I'll put it on there. Put whatever you guys want within family-friendly reasons, and we'll throw it on there. The other thing is, it's hot out. It's probably 96 degrees outside, and do yourself a favor, stay hydrated. This stuff right here has become one of my favorites because it's carbonated, doesn't have any caffeine, and actually has flavor. I understand water is the best, technically, but I have to have flavor in stuff I drink, so good stuff. All right, you guys, so I found some bolts. They're a collection of 2 and 2, so we're gonna go ahead and roll with them because I have them. Ta-da! I have cut them down. You'll notice they are shorter because they're cut. I have done a tap over them. Yes, I know the trick. You put a nut on it, that threads on it, cut it, and then back the nut off. Yeah, I get it. I know the trick. We're not gonna do that. At least I'm not gonna show you. You guys will see this all in time lapse, so this won't be a big deal for you guys. We're gonna take it outside after we're done putting bolt and the fenders on. We're gonna give it a bath. Oh, so another fun fact. The new master cylinder for the brakes for up front came with a brake light switch. That's super cool because if I remember correctly, the ones for the front brakes didn't work on this. So I'll have to wire those in, so that way all I have to do is press the front brakes first. Last time where I not really a fan of using the rear brakes, but I would use them just to turn the brake light on because that was where the switch was. All right, we're back again, and I got bolts and nuts that are no longer in my wife's purse.
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room.
So, opinion, guys, because I think I know where I'm at. This back fender, I think I'm not going to leave it like that because there was a pad that sat here, and I don't think I'm going to keep it. I'm actually 99.9% sure I'm not going to keep it. So I'm thinking about cutting the fender about like that. Obviously, this can move up to these holes, so that way it's still being supported. But for today, we're just going to bolt this all back up the way it is. But give me your opinion. Write it down in the comments. You think I should cut this, leave the fender? I'm not getting rid of the fender because when I do ride this thing, I don't want water spraying all over my back. Those of you who have been on a bike when it's raining knows it kind of sucks. I don't want to be down that road again. Been there, done that. Got the t-shirt, the shoes, the hat, the underwear, the mankini, you name it, I got it because I don't want to deal with that again.
Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you could get.
Ta-da! Le fender is back in le place. So it's back on. Like I said, guys, I'm not in love with it. Give me your opinion on it. Do you like it with the whole back fender or without? So, what are we gonna do next? Take a cold shower. I'm sure that'd be something y'all would want to see. We're gonna take it outside. I'm gonna grab a bucket, a bouquet, and we're gonna give it a bath because I hate the way it looks right now. Oh, the wheels on the bike go round and round, round and round, round and round. Side note, I don't think I've ever washed this bike. So just so you guys know, on the chrome, we're going to be using a green the Brillo pad thingamabobber. I don't know what they are. It's green and it kind of has some texture to it. Okay. Other SD card is giving me crap, so I had to go grab another one. So hopefully, I don't know what all y'all got. What I was saying is, Chrome won't get you home, it'll get you tacos. So, I like tacos. I like food. If you don't like tacos, well, something wrong with you. There's a lot of versions of tacos. So, all right, let me grab y'all while I wipe down the stuff. Give you a little tour. You guys know I put the front fender back on. It is shiny-ish. There's no chrome polish. You can see the forks are heavily pitted. I'll have to have them redone. The exhaust is kind of crap because it's just sitting. The tank is dull now. I ran a Scotch-Brite over it, so that's not surprising. I'm going to try to buff this out. Rear fender came out all right. Back wheels came out all right. That came all right. I mean, there's not a lot of chrome on the bike, but there's enough that A, annoys me. Like I said, there's the tank. We're going to clean this up eventually. Kind of did what we did back in the day. It's pretty cool looking. Battery still needs to be replaced. I have to grease the chain. I know it. Front brakes work. Everything works in it. So, the end of this video is going to be just, we're going to buff the tank out and the top of the light. So those of you that have watched the channel before know that I'm no stranger to buffing paint. This time we're going to use a wool pad. We're going to still use my Makita high-speed buffer, which is 12 years strong, I think, or something like that. So we're going to use that. Then we're going to use a Meguiar's medium cut to buff out the tank and see what it looks like. It should look pretty good. We're going to make that shiny again. We hope. No, I'm not rubbing one out. I'm shaking up the compound, which is going to be super runny. No, maybe not. Oh yeah. It's hot. There's this stuff called rejects. Not like that. A buddy of mine gave this to me. He said, here, if you want it, you can have it. Try it out on your stuff. Wait till you see it. So we're going to hit it with the same foam pad as before. I'll turn the speed down. And wait till you see the difference. This is an actual polish. This isn't just a compound. So you can see it's getting the shine as if it didn't have it before. You can see more of the scratches are coming out. And then the whole tank, which I'm not going to show you both sides because it's the same crap on both sides. Kind of boring. You get the idea. So now we're going to switch to a foam pad, which went flying earlier. Also, if you think this is going to be some ginormous transformation that's like a voice from God, it's not. I'm going to tell you now, it'll be okay at best after I washed it and all that kind of stuff. Those of you that have watched my YouTube channel know I can buff a car. I'm not bragging. Pretty fucking good at it. Some of you are going to ask, is that base coat clear coat or single stage? It was single stage when we painted it. Which means it has no clear coat. Is it perfect? By any means, nope. Can I see myself in it? Oh yeah. Is that as far as we're taking this for the day? You betcha. Just gonna wipe it down to get rid of some of the overspray. It's not gonna make it 100% perfect. That would require wet sanding it and buffing it, and I'm not doing that. So we are going to leave this right about here. Oh yeah, you guys can see it. You can see my reflection in it. Alright guys, with that being said, we're going to go and cut this here. This is going to be a short video. It's kind of, to be honest, it's kind of bland and kind of boring anyways. You just got to see it. You know that I put the fenders back on it. You know that it's got brakes again. You know I have the drains for the tank, which I'll put back on. You know, I have to figure out how far I want to take this bike. I don't know if I want to leave it just as is and just ride it around, or if I want to go through the painting and deep re-chroming, if I want to keep chrome. I don't know. You know, you guys leave me a comment. You know, just tell me what you think. You know, if you think it belongs in the dumpster, do me a favor, don't freaking comment. Because you know, that's just rude, man. It doesn't belong in the dumpster. If you think I should polish it up and make it all nice, pretty, and all that kind of stuff, say that. If you guys think I should just make it run, drive, and go down the road again, do that. You know, I'm unsure yet. I know I want to make it run and drive again, so I don't know yet. I don't know exactly what I want to do. So, drop a comment. Do me a favor. Like, comment, subscribe. I am on Patreon. So, next week's video or the next video probably won't be on the bike. I am doing a champ car race, a full 24-hour race. No, I'm not the only driver. I will take some video of it. I don't know how much is going to be out because it's 24 hours, so it's at dark. It's not on my team. It's a different team. It's a Betty White car. It's actually a fun car. It's I think a 2003 Volkswagen GTI with a 1.8T. So that'll be the following video that we do. It'll probably be a couple of weeks. It'll just be whenever I get a minute, whenever I sit down and do it. So all that being said, guys, life's too short. Get out, enjoy it, have fun. Take care.